Welcome to this session on creating a customer master record in SAP. In this lesson, you'll learn how to enter and organize key customer data, including company code, sales area, billing, and general information, ensuring accurate and complete customer records for use across departments. The customer master is a foundational part of SAP's Sales and Distribution module. It consolidates all important customer data in one place and supports key processes such as order management, shipping, invoicing, and financial accounting. Let's see how this works in a real-world scenario with Pepsi. Imagine the sales team at Pepsi's European headquarters onboarding a new international distributor. To begin business transactions, they create a new customer master record in SAP. The team enters the customer's full address, payment terms, shipping preferences, and company-specific details. This record becomes the central source of truth used by sales, logistics, and finance to process orders, generate invoices, and manage receivables. Across Pepsi's global operations, a reliable and consistent customer master ensures smooth coordination between departments and minimizes the risk of errors in processing, billing, or delivery. Now think about your own organization. Is customer information centrally managed? Could better master data help improve order accuracy, billing timelines, or cross-team collaboration? Let's walk through the complete process of creating a customer master record step by step in SAP. To efficiently initiate the creation of a customer master record in SAP, begin by accessing the Customer Create screen from the SAP Easy Access menu. On the SAP Easy Access screen, navigate through Logistics, proceed to Sales and Distribution, continue to Master Data, then select Business Partner, choose Customer, and finally select Create Complete. The transaction code is XD01. This transaction code is crucial as it allows you to enter and maintain detailed customer information within the SAP system, essential for effective customer relationship and sales management. Upon reaching the Customer Create initial screen, start by entering the fundamental customer details required to establish the customer master record. Key fields to populate include account group. This defines the classification of the customer and determines the fields available for entry and their relevance to specific business processes. Customer. Enter the unique number assigned to the customer, which serves as the primary identifier in all subsequent transactions. Company code. Specify the particular company for which this customer record is relevant, ensuring correct financial and organizational data integration. Sales organization. Identify the unit responsible for managing and processing sales transactions with this customer, ensuring accurate organizational reporting and analysis. Distribution channel. Enter the channel through which goods or services will be provided to the customer, affecting logistics and marketing strategies. Division. Indicate the business division relevant to the customer's product lines, enabling precise organizational management and reporting. After completing these fields, click Continue to advance to the next screen. Next, on the General Data screen, you will enter detailed address and general customer information critical for communication and logistical operations. Important fields include title, optional. Enter any title relevant to the customer for personalized communication. Name. Provide the full official name of the customer to ensure accurate identification. Search term. Include terms that facilitate quick retrieval of the customer record within search functions. Address details. Enter comprehensive address information, including street, number, postal code, city, and country to facilitate accurate delivery and correspondence. Transportation zone. Define the geographical zone critical for determining the transportation and logistical arrangements necessary for deliveries to the customer. Once these fields are accurately populated, click Continue to proceed further. On the Create Customer Company Code Data screen, navigate specifically to the Account Management tab, crucial for managing financial aspects of the customer relationship. Reconciliation account. Assign a general ledger account to consolidate and track all financial transactions such as payments and receivables linked to the customer, ensuring accurate financial reporting and control. After entering the reconciliation account details, click Continue to progress to the subsequent stage. Next, on the sales area data screen, enter specific sales-related details vital for efficient order processing and fulfillment. Customer group. Classify the customer into groups for streamlined pricing and promotional strategies. Shipping conditions. Clearly define the terms governing how products are shipped, affecting logistics and customer service efficiency. Delivering plant. Specify the exact plant responsible for fulfilling customer orders, ensuring efficient logistics and inventory management. Once the shipping conditions and delivering plant data are complete, click Continue to advance. In the Billing Documents tab, provide essential billing related information to facilitate accurate invoicing and payment management. Incoterms. Specify the agreed terms for shipping, clearly outlining responsibilities and risks between buyer and seller. Terms of payment. Define precise payment terms to regulate cash flow and financial planning related to customer transactions. Tax. Enter the appropriate tax code reflecting the tax regulations applicable based on the customer's location, ensuring compliance with local taxation laws. After accurately entering all billing related data, click Continue. Upon final review and validation of all the entered details, click Save to securely store the new customer master record in SAP. This action generates a unique customer identifier within the system, essential for future transaction processing, reporting, and effective customer relationship management. Ensure thorough data verification before saving, as accurate entry prevents issues in order processing, logistics, and financial accounting operations. Great job completing this walkthrough on creating a customer master record in SAP. You've now learned how to navigate to the correct transaction, enter general, financial, and sales specific details, and save the customer record to make it available for use in end-to-end business processes. This master record now enables order processing, shipment creation, billing, and financial accounting, all based on accurate, centrally stored customer data. Let's return to our Pepsi example. Whether it's a distributor in Asia, a retailer in Europe, or a food service partner in North America, Pepsi's ability to serve customers efficiently depends on accurate customer master records. These records ensure smooth order fulfillment, timely invoicing, and better customer relationships. Now consider your own processes. Are all required customer details entered correctly and consistently? Could cleaner master data improve transaction accuracy, reporting, or customer service performance? By mastering this essential process, you support operational efficiency, financial accuracy, and customer satisfaction across your organization. Keep practicing. You're building a strong foundation in SAP Sales and Distribution.